It was good, YouTube. This is Poppin Tops at Raging River State Forest. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's get into it. Some fast tech flow. Got to get more pop in that. I want to stay on this left side for the faster line. So you can get up on that right side, kind of left, right, quick turns just to get up on that right side, make it a little bit of a smoother transition instead of being on the brakes. This is more like a speed zone. And then left, right. Yep. And this one right here, you want to get up more of a little wall ride here. Stay off the brakes though. Little tabletop. Another speed zone right there. A little bit of a double tabletop here. Another tabletop. Watch that left side for the trees. A little stump drop there. Now that's it for the black diamond part. Let's get into the blue diamond. Now this is the blue diamond. Start off point. It's kind of more of a connector.
Here's our entry.
Now you want to watch out on this left berm for anyone on the right side coming off the black diamond part, probably just flying by you.
Here we go now.
I would say this straight line is more of the yield just because of the speed that everyone's going to be going on the right side. This area is fast, gravel.
Ooh, come out smoking out of that.
Little pump here, double to another double. Very nice. Burns weren't the best. This trail's probably been ridden on thousands of times.
Not trying to go too fast because I've never ridden this, so need to chill. Big berm.
You can see right here, it's a little blown out.
Ooh. A little blown out here.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. That was Poppin Tops. The top is a black diamond. This lower side is a blue diamond. Ooh. Gets you fast, flowy, tech. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe. See ya.